Hello, hello, hello. Hopefully the audio is so much better this time around. Let's get straight into it, shall we? Alrighty. Let's get to it. Okay. So last time along, we finished up with the first person camera and camera movement. Let's check if everything's working perfectly. Check, and okay, it seems to be working. Okay, nice. Alright, that's good. Okay. Alright, so what I have planned, so this will be a pretty short stream as well. Around 45 minutes is what I've got. So in that time, I want to finish up with how third person camera works. So I'll probably get that done. Hopefully that will get done. So this time around, I'm gonna try not to use a lot first person camera movement. And I just want to duplicate that. Can you duplicate? Okay, you cannot duplicate. I repeat. Okay. Let's create another one. Let's name it third person camera movement. Third person camera movement. Let's do that. And also, I'm pretty sure the class here changes, so we should get that done as well. So what I mean by that is that the class will change, which might be a problem. So let's see. Let's let Visual Studio open up. Okay, first person camera, yeah. First person camera movement. Nice. And we can get rid of that. Let's open third person camera movement. Compile faster, buddy. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna have it just copy and paste whatever is in here. I'm gonna change from here now. Ambiguity problem, of course. Just gotta change the class name to third person. And all the errors should hopefully go away. Or not. Okay, there you go. It's all gone. Perfect. So let's first create a camera so that we can get that done. Let's put our player character, the open the bean. Okay. So let's add the third person camera. Go here. We go third person camera. And what should we do with that is, since the character is facing that way as well, we can just move it a little behind. Also display 2. Oh, sorry, display 3. And set this to display 3. Move back a little bit. A little higher potentially. And that should be our, also should rotate it. Okay. Okay, so that's done. Our camera is set up, so let's see how we can add it to the script. Let's see if we can just do, let's see if the same script just straight up works. I doubt it, but let's see. Camera script in here. We have the bean object in here. Let's give it 5, 5. It's a default value. let's check if this just works. This works, this would be huge. I mean, in theory, it should work. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. That's actually pretty good, but the rotation, the y-axis rotation is a bit weird, because that is not how it's supposed to be. The axis for that is supposed to be around the center, which it is not. Because when it's supposed to go with that. Okay, let's try. Okay, the x-axis rotation is actually really good. It's just the see, I don't want that to happen. I want when I look down, I want the person to be visible. So let's see if we can just change that width. Okay. Okay, the character is visible right now. Can you add a center? Okay. Okay, that is not it. Perspective. I mean, the x-axis is actually pretty good, and I'm pretty satisfied with that, to be honest. 15, let's go. Can say jump. See what I mean? It's really difficult to do this when you're also in third. Okay, apparently I'm just a pro gamer. Hello. Alrighty. Okay, now that we got that working. Okay, so you tell that that's working, but you know, I have got to fix this now. So let's get to that first. Alright, before that, let's set the jump force to 10 and okay, where was I? Oh, right. We were in OBS, and yeah, we're supposed to get that fixed. So, how should we do that? Alright. Now to implement third-person camera. I copied the exact same thing, but just moved the camera, made another camera, called it third person camera, and moved it a little to the back and about of the player, while the X horizontal movement is feasible. The vertical mouse movement is very unnatural and weird. How do I go about fixing this? No code. Well, let's see what he says. Okay, you need to find the way camera rotates. In third person, the camera typically rotates around the player while maintaining a fixed distance and height. Yeah. Okay, so I didn't think of that. Create a game object named camera pivot at the player center. Okay, so rotate the camera pivot vertically based on mouse input. Rotate the player on the okay. So how do you actually maintain a pivot? So should I begin? Okay. Can you tell me more about this pivot thing? I don't know what it is. I'm pretty dumb though. Okay, but it's super useful once you get the hang of it. Let's break it down. Break it down. A pivot is essentially a point of rotation. It's an invisible object, usually an empty game object. Player can rotate. Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't think my player has a waist though. Cause it's a bit of a bean. So yeah. Okay. Let's try it out. Wait. So should it be the parent? Cause the camera is the child of a pivot. All right. Let's create a camera pivot. Camera pivot. Okay, that is not how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be the other way around. Let's do that. Okay. Perfect. Where's the camera pivot though? Let's first locate this. Where's this little thing? Alright. Oh, I forgot it's invisible. I'm just trying to apply my scroll. Alright, so let's set it to 0, 0, 0. And rotation to 0. Okay, let's make the game a little bit small. Alright, it's right about in the middle. So, Alright, now we have a little, what do we call it? Pivot. And we add the third person camera to it. Okay. Alright. Position the pivot. I would say it's around the player's waist. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Piss off. Okay, pairing the camera to the pivot. Okay. I'm seeing 1.5 and 3. That's pretty similar. I hope you mean -3 though. Well, I would like a more long range, but 4. Okay. Ah, it did say minus. I'm just blind. Okay, parent the pivot to the player. Perfect, that's done. How does the pivot work in code? Oh man, ChatGPT is too good. Alright, once the hierarchy is set up, rotation, the yaw and the pitch. Rotate the pivot on its y-axis to the left and look left and right. Right, the camera will follow it since. Hmm. Okay, wait, I have an idea. I want to try something, but it might be really stupid. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my visual, and well, okay, I'm gonna keep the player object. I'm gonna keep. Do we need the player? Okay, I don't think we need it. Well, in the thing that is. Okay, hold on. I think I should keep that. And we should create a new script known as the pivot script. Let's do that. Let's make a new script. Also, let's get rid of this script because I don't like it. Right, it's done. Okay, let's create a C# script. Let's name it the pivot rotation. Perfect. Okay, so let's make it so that the parent Wait, is there a way to access the parent? Is there a keyword or class to access the parent in the hierarchy? By the way. Transform position is equal transform parent position. Okay, so you can get that. That's nice. The whole game object though. Oh, I can. It's in transform.parent.game object, which is a bit weird if you ask me. But all right. Okay, so what they're trying to tell me is that oh, you can get grandparent as well. Can I get child? Now we're talking. You can. Oh my goodness gracious me. Okay, okay. Okay, buddy. Let's do this. Okay. So. Alright, let's do this. So I want to keep the camera movement and everything as it is. So I mean, like when it comes to where do we use the player option? Yeah, do the mouse movement. Wait, you're telling me if I just hold on a minute? Hold the fucking minute. Since this is a player movement script, what if I just add here, get rid of the script here, add bean over here, and set 5, 5, go bean, and I'll say, yo, this is a camera right here. And third person camera is a child of it. If this works, I'm a fucking genius. Oh my goodness. It fucking works. Holy shit. It's a bit unnatural though. I don't like how it just sticks to the wall as well. Just noticed. Okay. We have somehow done that. Alright, we have somehow done that. Okay, something about the jumping feels a little off. Look at that, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, I just want to check one thing. I don't want it to go underneath the ground. So I was thinking, can I add a rigid body object to the camera? What if... Oh, okay, never mind. Don't use gravity. Can it come back? Oopsie. And no mass. No gravity, nothing. I don't check if this works. Or it would just fall off. Okay, yeah, I still go under inside and out though, which is a bit dumb. Okay, I kinda wanted to not do that. Since what is kinematic? Doesn't change anything. Collision detection. Okay, that is really... What if I do that? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, you know what? Screw all that. It works for now. Okay, that's all we need. Get rid of rigid body. Okay, let's ask if this is fine. Okay, all I did was do the adding pivot part and just added our first person cam to the pivot and the as parent. Just are there any changes I should do? Oh yeah, I was thinking about that actually for the field of view part. The first FOV. What about like 90? Put alright, so okay, let's add the collision detection and I'll end it there for today. Where the hidden fell. You know what? Array cast honestly pissed me off so much and we've already kind of studied it. Let's study the code that it gives. I'm totally not being lazy right now, by the way. I mean, wait, I'll just give it the third person camera movement. Should I make changes to this existing? So by this is the script attached to the pivot. Okay, let's just copy, paste. Let's just check if this works. Okay, let's see what has changed here. Smoke speed, sensitivity, sphere radius, whatever that is. Okay, let's see what is sphere radius. You know what? Let's just run this code. Let's see if this breaks anything, because usually it does. Oh, I forgot. I should probably add. What can I move? What the fuck? Okay, let's just go back. A rundown on what is actually going on. This third person camera script is attached to the pivot, which is a parent to the beam, and has a child, which is the camera, and has no scripts. The script that is attached to the pivot which has the movement and attached. Child script that is attached to the pivot should do the camera collision detection stuff. Okay, let's just give it the script and let's see how it does it. This is the script. Let's see what changes it makes. Okay, that's a camera distance. You know what? Let's just give it the whole code. Let's see. I'll just copy paste it. For now, we're not going to use that code. Don't worry. Just want to check if this works, because I have no idea what it is doing. Okay. Hold on. It's a pretty big script which I did not ask for, and which we will not be using because that is not real. Okay, it still does not move, which is the problem. Wait, I think it because no, the beam is attached. Wait, is that because... Wait, what? Which camera is this? What the fuck? Okay, that makes sense. Hold on, switch this. Okay, that makes much more sense what it's doing. Skip it on tag. Let's see what happens if I do main camera tag and say, you know what, dude? How about this? Yeah, display 3. Yeah, of course. Main camera action, buddy. Whoa, that's cool how that works. Okay, what if it's like... Why can't I move though, bro? Huh? Hold on. I can't move for some reason. Okay, for some reason, the... Okay, it works, but... I can't move. Well, let's try this color. Oh, let's make sure they're in one mode. Okay. Okay. What? And now it just doesn't care. Alright. Something seriously wrong. For now, let's just leave it at this, shall we? I think. It's a pretty short stream, so I couldn't really get anything done. By the end of next day, I'll try to get this fixed. Obviously on stream, because I don't want you guys to miss that out as well. So, I think we're done for today. Oh, the movement is still not working. Hello? What the actual bean shit is going on? What? Okay, hold on. Player movement. Something is broken. Is this attached to the player? Okay, yeah it is. It's because it has the main camera tab maybe? Is it because it's a rigid body? No. Let's check why this is not working. What happens if I just remove this for now? Let's see if this works. Why can't I fucking move? Huh? Wait, is it because the main camera is untabbed? Oh, it makes sense. It's stuck. Why is it not falling? Wait, why is it on a rigid body? Is it on the player? No. Why is it on a rigid body? What the fuck just happened? Okay, what about this? Oh, there we go. Okay, that seems to work now. What if I say camera pivot is the camera to look at? And the first person camera still works without display 3. But that is broken as fuck. What about now? I say, you know what, dude? You can keep the camera up. Shit. Oh, fuck. I say, you know what? You can keep the player cam. Oh, it works. Okay. A bit buggy, but it's pretty fixable. Alright, okay, I don't know whether we have this here. Alright, now that we have that done, well, the message for today, guys, I'll attach both these scripts. I mean, this is pretty much the same script as before, so I'm gonna just quickly save, close. So basically, we'll not add pretty much anything. The same script, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This episode is pretty dumb, not gonna lie. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you. Peace.